Hello, 6Es, receiving students and receiving teachers. Thank you. You may be seated. All right, in our previous lesson, we were looking at things that could mix and things which couldn't mix. In today's lesson, we will still be looking at mixing things, receiving students and class, but this time we are going to be looking at mixing things of the same state. In your previous lessons, you looked at different states of matter. So today we will be looking at mixing things with the same state. Without going further, we will go on with our activity for today. Now, receiving students and class, we are still on the same strand and the sub-strand and the learning outcome there, 6.3.2. Our topic for today is on same states being mixed. And this is, of course, lesson 44. Now, receiving students and class, I would like you to quickly take down this table if you do not have that in your books and on the blackboard. Receiving teacher, you could also take this down as quickly as possible onto the table or onto the blackboard so your students can copy that down. Class and the receiving students, get this down very quickly. Right, class and the receiving students. Receiving students, your teacher should have got that on the blackboard. Down for you. Our activity there is same state mix. Is the activity. Now in this activity, that's in your groups, discuss and select materials that you have brought to make a mixture of the same states being mixed. So you're going to be mixing mixtures of the same state, liquid with liquid, and solid with solid, and gas with gas. Okay, class and the receiving students, let us do one together. Let's see. Gas mixed with gas. We will have our friend from the model class, Ashanti, is going to be helping to write that on the chart. Okay, receiving students and class. Which two gases can you mix together? Let's do that orally. First of all, Emmanuel and receiving students, can we see gas? Can we see gas? Good, you're shaking your head. Okay. That means that we cannot see gas. So, which gases can mix together? Which gases do you think can mix together to make a mixture, form a mixture? Let's hear some examples. Anybody can name a gas? An example of a gas, receiving student. Thank you. Let's hear from Victoria. Receiving students, I hope you are telling your teacher. Good. Victoria?
Air.
Air. Very good. Air. Okay, gas mixed with gas. Air is a mixture of different types of gases. Air is a mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases, which you will look at later. When you probably go to grade 9, 10, you look at gases like argon, xenon, kryptonium, they all make up the air. So we have main gases are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Very good. Okay, that makes up the air. Now, in the air, there are a mixture of two other gases. Who can guess? It's in the air. We already made a mention. Receiving students? Good. Tell your teacher will list that down for you. Class begins with the letter C. Yes.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a mixture of two gases. If you mix those two gases, what do you think they are? Guess. Guess what those two gases are. Carbon dioxide, very good, is a mixture of a gas and a gas. Which two gases do you think carbon dioxide is a mixture of? Receiving students? Good. Class? Anybody? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Right, carbon dioxide is a mixture of, one will have to be carbon. Carbon is one, and the other one is beginning with the letter O. Okay, good. Oxygen. Carbon and oxygen makes up carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a gas mixed with a gas. Right, very good, carbon dioxide. Now those are two examples. Probably at the end of the lesson, we will come up with another example. So students, I hope you do likewise. Okay, you have your materials there. Thank you very much, Ashanti, for helping write up the answers there. Now, receiving students and class, the materials that you have brought, you are going to be doing that. Solid mixed with solid. And you are going to come up with which two solids you have mixed to come up with a mixture. Now you can name your mixture in any name, so long as it makes sense. Right, you will be filling up rest of the table there with solid mixed with solids. There will be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to fill in there, and liquid about 4 there. So you are going to do that now for your exercise. Students and class, remember you are going to be mixing the mixtures in the same state. So you need to mix solid with a solid and liquid with a liquid. What is that mixture called? Okay, then you write that under the table. Solid mixed with solid. So you put down chocolate. Okay, so list that under solid mixed with solid. It's really helpful. And then you have to okay, when you write that, and then you write it on that sample. Good. And that one? That is liquid and solid. Remember, it has to be same state. You could also try to have another one also. Okay. Put it here. Put another one. Check there. Check there to find any liquid, and then you mix that. Those two liquids together. Check in front. Check in front there. Right, receiving students and class. Let us see what your friends from the model class have come up with. These are the ones that they have come up with. Whatever that you brought, you will be coming up with that. Now, in the class, we have salt and sugar. Okay, they've got salt and sand and curry. Okay, there's curry there, which hasn't been mixed with the other substance, but at the bottom here we have charcoal and sand. That is all the examples of solid being mixed with solid. At the bottom here we have liquid mixed with liquid, cordial and water, and kerosene and oil. Now, receiving students, I hope you came up with different mixtures. Very good. Okay, let us see our summary for today. All ready for your summary? Good. Okay, this is your summary for today. Right, we've got one summary point there. Take that down as quickly as possible. Should have completed writing down your summary notes by now. Our key phrase for today, same state. Next lesson, different states being mixed. And the materials there, receiving students, you will be bringing back the same materials, class likewise. These are the materials used in this lesson. We will also be using those materials in the next lesson. With that, thank you very much, 6Es, receiving students and teachers.